There were Japanese words that you could just hear around your neighborhood. Want to be familiar with them? Continue watching and learn with me. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to the last episode for Chapter 2 of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will give you some words that are commonly used within your neighborhood. It is important to be familiar with them, to be well informed, and live accordingly. Let's begin. それでは始めましょう。交番、町内会、町内会長、町内会費、回覧板、家、うち、住宅地、団地、一軒家、マンション、アパート、管理人。I hope that these words will help you live a little bit more accustomed with the things happening around your neighborhood. Let's review by looking at the words and their meanings one more time. I hope you have learned something new today and don't hesitate to watch this video again to practice with us. Thank you for watching the last episode for Chapter 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on Chapter 3. またね。